Lights. Lights is so important. If you think that you're gonna go into an interview video and have no lights and rely on the lights that's around the building, man, it's not gonna look good. It's very unflattering. If you don't bring your own lights, your video is gonna look like this, which isn't too bad. I mean, it's not a deal breaker. Luckily, I'm in a position where I do have a window right here that kind of lights me a little bit, and it is lit up kind of nicely, but you're not able to control your light. You want to control your light so you get the best looking video you could possibly get. Let's get back into the other video. All right, so one of my favorite light for 2023 is this GVM SD80. It's an 80 watt power, but it could also power with an NP-LP battery, just like this. So in the past, all my NP battery powered monolight like this was 60 watt. That was the strongest one. Anything beyond that, like I got 150 watt, I have a 300 watt power light. They can't handle this kind of battery. They're too strong. They have to be plugged in. So a lot of times when I'm shooting by myself or have a small crew, I like to be mobile because our interviews are happening in multiple locations and I kind of need to carry all my gears around and be a little bit more mobile. And some locations might not have a power connector nearby. So having a battery power light for your interview video is such a lifesaver. So this is, to me, the strongest you can get, an 80 watt that can be powered by NP battery. So that's cool. Second thing that's really cool about this is that it's super quiet. So I'm gonna turn this on. It's right next to the microphone right here. You can't even hear it. The fan is so quiet. Right now I'm using my older 60 watt light, and that is so loud. I don't really like to use it because you could really hear it. I'm hearing it right now, and I'm gonna have to use edit to kind of get that noise out the way. But I'm gonna put this mic right by it to let you hear how that sounds. Right? So that sound kind of bugs me. I have used it in many of my shoots, but you know, it kind of like, oh man, the speaker could hear it. It kind of bugs me a little bit. So anyways, I love how quiet this one is, so that's a plus. It comes with a 7-inch reflector right over here. I bought this little diffuser from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link for everything that I'm sharing with you below. And if you do buy from a link, I appreciate you so very much. So this diffuser is really cool. So on top of using this for all my interviews, I also take it to all my weddings. It's nice to have it just like this with a little diffuser on top, put it on a tripod. And the great thing about it is that it runs off of your phone app. It connects very easily to your phone. So I love shooting weddings with this thing because it'll be on top of a tripod and all of a sudden they're like, okay guys, we're gonna do the speech, we're gonna do the first dance. So instead of me running over there, taking the tripod down, turning it on and putting it back up and just dealing with that whole mess, I just take my phone out and simply just turn it on or off. So that's really cool. It doesn't have all the RGB colors, but it has the ability to control your warmth and the coolness of the video light. And of course, you could use this to control the strength of your light all the way. I mean, you could tell how strong this is. I want to go full blast and just to show you how blown out things get. It's crazy. The strength is, I love it. It's just right. It's just right. It's not too crazy like 150 to 300 watt. Which that is super powerful. This is just enough for me to get my interview videos and for me to take it to weddings and anything else that needs professional lighting. So I love that. And with the app, it's got some cool effects. I'm not getting this light for the effects, honestly, because there are RGB color lights that gives you like a full police siren and ambulance and things like that. But at least they give you an option for you to do things like lightning, paparazzi. It's kind of neat. It does give you some effects. That's kind of nice of them to just add that when they didn't really have to. So that's really neat. So I do love the fact that they do have a bundle for $199. I sound like I'm selling something, I swear to God. For $199, they give you the light, they give you the tripod, they give you a softbox, and they give you a honeycomb grid, which I absolutely love. Without the honeycomb grid and you're just using the softbox, the light tends to kind of spill over and just light up maybe the background also. But with a grid, it really focuses on just me without having to light up my background because I already got it all set up with my lights and everything, right? So it's perfect for you to just be able to light just your subject and it gives you a dramatic light too. I really love the way the grid honeycomb grip looks. It's a game changer if you have never used it, so I definitely recommend that set. Make it easy. Just get that one set, your lights are done. If you do buy anything from my link, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you so much for that. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will answer 100%. I will, if you got any questions, I would love to help. That's what we're here to do. That's what life is about. You take a journey in learning about things, and then when you can, help other people grow. So that's what life is all about to me. So leave a comment, hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.